An organized desk can help you find what you need quickly. It can also help keep your work area neat and help you work more productively. 1. Arrange your desk in a tidy manner. Remove items that are not in use and are taking up space. Remove everything that is not needed for your work at hand. This will help you to have a clean desk and avoid visual clutter. 2. Organize items according to their purpose. Define the categories so you can easily identify what they are for. You may have a file cabinet for work-related papers and another storage space for family-related papers. Group items into separate piles and place them in different areas of your desk. 3. Schedule your work-related papers. Color-coding files works, but sometimes you need a more creative approach. If you know where all your files are, it will be much easier to find them when you need them. 4. Make a list of all of your supplies. Go through all of your supplies and list them in a notebook. Also, list any other things that you use frequently. This will help you stay organized and avoid running out of things at the most unexpected times. 5. Keep an electronic copy of the documents on your desk. To avoid forgetting important things, it's a good idea to keep an electronic copy of everything. You can simply use a hard disk or use an electronic storage device such as Google Drive. You can upload the paper documents into the online storage and organize them into different folders. And that's it. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.